Hey yo, it's JNanjoe. Yo, today I'm unboxing a carbon fiber shaft that I recently bought. I bought it on eBay, but I was just so excited. Like back when I started playing pool again, I was so excited to see like, okay, so pretty much, you know, I was excited to get my own stick, and I got that, and then I saw some people and I was watching videos. They got like a black shaft, and I was like, what the heck? What the hell is that? You know, I thought it was like they painted it or some shit like that, but turns out it's carbon fiber. So I was like, you know, I really want one, so I tried to, you know, sell as much stuff as I could, like, you know, my clothes or whatever, you know, so that my income wouldn't be affected, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, enough of that talk, man. I got it right here, and you know what I'm saying? Just covering the address, whatever. So let's get it. I wanted to make this really quick. I just got out of work. I was like, man, might as well do a video, you know. All right. Yep, carbon fiber shaft, man. Oh, and it's a bull carbon fiber. I don't know why they just wrapped it like this. I mean, I figured it would be more secure, but hey. Guess it's whatever. So it's a bull carbon fiber shaft. I believe that the diameter is 12.4 or 12.25. Yeah, 12.25. This bitch look clean, bro. Y'all see that? And I bought the lock, the 5x16 lock. It's like 5x16 times 18. I think that's what it is. But yeah, yo, that's it, man. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but let me get out the camera. That thing right there. My handprints. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The tip is a Kamui soft and white ferrule. Man, this is clean, dude. Like, I'm looking at it right now and it's just shiny. Yeah. I'll put it with my butt right now, see how it looks. I'm trying to get a warranty repair on my butt too, because even though I haven't dropped it like that, like, it has like some cracks on it and stuff. I probably just missed it when I first got the shaft, but you know, it's my fault. But trying to get a warranty repair on it. You know what would be cool, y'all? To get a sponsorships from one of these fools, from one of the companies, you know? Not fools, but you know. Oh man, this looks clean. Shaft right there. And the butt with it. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post a video of me playing with it. Yeah, this is just so fire because, like, if I have a glove, then it just goes smooth with it instead of me, you know, waiting for like a freaking I don't need powder for this thing, honestly. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Appreciate y'all for watching. You know, bull carbon fiber shaft by Coda. Yeah, you know what'd be great, man? I wish I can get sponsorships, but I guess, you know, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't do that with me right now since I don't have any clout or whatever. But you know, we'll get there one day. We're gonna get there. So yeah, guys, the ferrule right there too. I don't know if, let me get out of the cam. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, man, and you have a great one. Peace.